Jilai Kangpokpi block na June gi tarik 15 da Kangpokpi gi Esmolno village da felicitation cum Thanksgiving and career guidance program ama maipak na pangthokhi. Thoram asigi Mantri Reverend S. Baipe na Mahairoi Singhi blessings cum Thanksgiving prayer ama tawbikhi. Thoram asigi Chief Guest pu Tongkhohau Kipgen Chairman TC College of Teacher Education and Social Work na miyoi khudingmak chawkhatpada natana khunai apunbagi chawkhat thoram gidamak education gi maru oiba adu phongdokhi. Department of Education and Statistics Jilai Kangui Block na Class 10, 12 amasung degree da mai paklaba mahairoi pumnamakta certificate piduna thoram asida thagatpa phongdokhi. Research person gi Dex tagi Dr. Kimboy Vaipe MO District Hospital Kangpokpi na Mahairoi singda tongan ba medical line singi matangda losing kaya pikhi. Osis College gi Academic Dean pu Thanglimang Kipgen na Mahairoi sing na makhoi gi masagi oiba standard ki matung in na loba yaba tongan ba course singi matangda wapam thamki. Mahak na multinational companies singda leba opportunities singi matangda su wapam phongdokhi. Dr. Thatang Vaipe Assistant Professor MU na hojik leiriba mirol asida education gi mathau tabasing amasung achumba career khanbagi maru oiba adu mayek sing na phongdokhi. Mahak na matam asigi demand adu phangdamba tongan ba discipline singda study gi scope hengat hanbagi mathau adu phongdokhi. Indian Meteorological Department na July 1 dagi 5 Phauba district asida akanba nong chuni haina notice thokraba matung district asida numit mangani manungda amang ata amasung asiba nangki. Sit khiba akanba nong leinong situna may isingi khudong chadaba nang hanki. Turil torban manakta leiba highway gi lambi sing chik hairaktuna gari chathok chasin awaba pikhi. Kalen matam gi nong jutha lakpaga Kangpokpi district na Lowo sing ubigi thabak paikhatpa hore. School sing su kalin gi suti thaba hore. Marak asida Northeast Healthcare India na digging for God's truth haiba matangda lanjinarakpa angang singi damak Vacation Bible School ama Motbong Baptist Church, Bethsaida Baptist Church amadi G Songlong Baptist Church the June 24 degi 26 June 27 degi 29 amasung July 3 degi 6 phauba matang sit na pangthokre. Assam Rifles amasung Manipur Police gi apunba team amana June gi tang 28 da khutlai mayam ama Kangpokpi district gi Bijang Khun dagi 1.8 km lappa mafam dagi fagat kre. Hawkhiba tha khara asida Assam Rifles amasung Manipur Police anina punna intelligence ga samna operation mayam ama tomin na kre. Assam Rifles amasung Manipur Police na local community singda makhoi gi thabak thoram asida mateng pangbinaba amasung yadaba khutlai natraga chingnaba leiradi pawpibinaba hairi. Hawkhiba June gi tang 22 numitta Kangpokpi District Police Department na sinaduna piping ceremony pangthokre. Manipur Police Kangpokpi SP Office Chamber da pangthokhiba thoram asida SP Manoj Prabhakar na Head Constable degi ASI promote oiriba miyoi mapanbu congratulatory notes pikhi. Promotion pangkhiba sing na Dilip Kumar Chetri, B Paukhomang, Yangkolun Baite, Robert Chongloi, A Rangsik Koiring, SL Paukhosyam Vaipe, Chuchung Vaipe, Joy Chandra Singh amasung Muhammad Akbar Hussein. Thoram aduda Kangpokpi DSP promoted oiriba ASI amasung makhoi gi family members sing na saruk yakhi. Committee on Tribal Unity na sinaduna peaceful public rally chathari. Kangpokpi jila manongda leiriba miyoi lising hen na saruk yakhi. Mahak na kuki jo political situation athuba matamda center sarkar na solution pinabagi District Commissioner Kangpokpi da memorandum amasu submit tawkhi.